Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to get tweaked apps on iOS 15.7 16.1 easily. You will be demonstrating how to install third-party apps on iOS 15.7 without jailbreaking your device or using a computer. While you can install third-party apps on an iPhone, not all apps are compatible. Suggest checking the compatibility of the desired app before downloading it from the App Store. There's a way to install an app, but the app's not available on App Store. There is a workaround using the app called Scarlet. Instruct users to download Scarlet from its official website onto their iPhone. App links are provided in description below. Download and install the recommended apps from the provided link. These apps will facilitate the installation of tweaked apps. After installing the required apps, save the downloaded IPF file to the files folder on your iPhone. Then return to the Scarlet app after saving the IPF file. Search for the IPF file within Scarlet's interface. Once the IPF file is located, Scarlet will automatically start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, direct users to return to their iPhone's home screen. They should see the tweaked app automatically installed and ready to use. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.